Hey guys, welcome back. This is actually a dip kit that I bought off Amazon, and I thought I'd do an unboxing with you guys. So let's get into this. This dipping... Does this always happen to you guys? Yeah. This dipping kit was, I found originally on amazon.co.uk. Okay, here we go. Then I found it on amazon.nl. Ooh, this looks nice. I found it on amazon.nl and it was cheaper for me to buy it there. Oh, this light is gonna be annoying. Okay. Look at that. This looks nice. Okay, so then I found it on amazon.nl, which was cheaper for me. I don't know if this is also available on... It's funny. I don't know if it's also available on Amazon.com. I didn't check that. But... it came from Germany. So I first saw it in the UK, Amazon.co.uk. I bought it on Amazon.nl, which is the Dutch version of Amazon. And it came from Germany. And now I'm looking at it and this is funny. Do you see that? Netherlands. The Hague, Netherlands. Yeah, never mind. Okay. So let's get into this. It looks a little dusty. I don't know if anything exploded on the inside. Can you see that, what I mean? I don't know if you can see that. But there was a gap somewhere. Okay, here, that's... Oh yeah, you can definitely see how dusty it is when I remove plastic. So this is from LuckyFine. Manufactured for LuckyFine in the Netherlands, but the manufacturer is of course from China. Okay. Oh, wow. This looks really nice. The packaging anyway. Oh, it smells so chemically. Okay, let's see what we have. Let's check out the box first, okay? For your nail art, create a unique and exclusive combination which reflects your style and creativity. Sorry. Strong and durable, water-resistant, maintenance-free. I don't think there are maintenance-free gel products. What's supposed to be in here? Nail file, 5 times 10 gram dip powder. 4 times 15 ml gel. It says gel. I hope it's not gel. Base coat, activator, top coat, and brush saver. 1 nail brush, 10 polish remover sheets, 1 instruction manual. Jeez, sorry. Dip nails last up to 3 weeks, guaranteed. Unlike regular nail polish, LuckyFine dip powders keep your manicure from chipping and don't. I think they mean doesn't damage the nail bed. The whole process doesn't require a UV light. I will just translate it. Doesn't require a UV light and it only takes 1 minute for them to dry. Okay, shelf life 3 years. That's nice. Okay, so let's just make sure I don't pull it up upside down because that will be okay. Good. Okay, oh! Okay, everything is stuck at the bottom, which is okay. I dropped a few things. Okay. Okay, so I think that's it for the box. So let's see what we have here. I thought it said 5 times 10 gram dip powders, but I see 8. I think I ordered 8. It is 10. Okay. we have a sunshine file, 100 by 180 grit. It's nice pink. We have a brush to dust off the nails. Very, very soft, fluffy brush. So we have 10 of these. Yeah. And okay, these are the ones where you tear the top and you put your nail in there and it should just soak it up. I've never actually tried these. I should. I should. We have another nail file. This looks again like a 100 by 180. Okay, so now that's it? No. We have a brush. And we have instructions, I guess. Ingredients. Oh, that's nice. No TDO. Yay. Okay. It's funny. It's actually made for a Dutch company, but there are no instructions in Dutch. Which is, I think it's funny. But they are in English, so looks very, very basic. Let's see. We have an extra brush, which can be 2 extra brushes. Forgive me. 2 brushes. We have a base. Oh God. Oh God. Now, these are nice bottles, but they weigh like nothing. It's still plastic. It's not glass, which doesn't really matter. Oh my God. Okay, let's try that one later. We have an activator, which does open. You can hear it, right? It's like total plastic. A top coat and a brush shaver. Let's see if we can open this one. Oh, we can. Yeah. The top coat is also just basically the same as the base coat. We should be able to open this because this is gonna freak me out later. Hold on, hold on. Oh man. Like really? Oh, here we go. Okay. Okay, looks good. Not stringy at all. Keep out of children. That's funny. Okay, so we have 8. Wow, 8 dip powders. And the jars are really, really nice. Let's just get rid of this. Okay, so look at that. I'll just zoom you guys in a bit. So these are the jars. They're 10 grams, so there's not a whole lot in there. Let's see if they're sealed. They are nice and sealed. That looks vibrant. I love it. So we have a, oh wait, this is color number 4. Number 7 is like total neon purple. Look at that. I think this is a glitter one. We have number 8. Oh yes, that's a nice silver sparkly glitter. And this looks like a natural pink. Number 3. That looks nice. Oh, come on. we have a, oh god, I never know how to describe this color. This looks very different than what's in here. You see that? Okay. But yeah, a taupe? No, not a taupe. I don't know. I really don't know how to describe it. We have, this was, by the way, color number 6. We have color number 2. This is really a nude. Again, this looks very pink. This doesn't. Nude dip powder. We have number 5, which looks to be a French pink. Wow. And finally, we have, okay. Oh, this is probably the reason why I got this one. We have a mint dip powder, which is number 1, of course. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is tell me which color you want me to try. So this is very simple though. It's just 1 through 8. Maybe I should get it on frame. That would be nice. Okay. So, tell me which one of these you want me to try. And I really hope that not all the numbers will be in the comment section, because otherwise I have to try all 8 of them. But even if that happens, I will try all 8 of them. But yeah, just to get started, pick a color so we can test it on a nail and see how it actually looks and how well the system will work. Very confident it will be just fine. But okay, I think that's it. I'm looking through the instructions. I don't see anything different. It's basically all dip kits are the same. In the steps they don't. These are the instructions basically. So they're not very like. It says clean prep the nails, push back the cuticles and shape the nails. Apply the base coat and quickly dip into the dip powder. Tap off excess, repeat on all nails, reapply base coat and repeat dip steps until you get the desired depth of color. If you would do that exactly, your brushes will clot and your nails won't look too great. There's a reason why they give you this, to actually remove the excess powder. It's not in the instructions, but you know, just saying. Apply activator, buff and shed nails, apply top coat. After finishing the nails, clean the bottle brush with brush shaver and effectively extend the use of the brush. That's a good tip. Okay, but let me know, guys. Let me know which one we're gonna give a go. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're safe, healthy, and yeah, don't do too much shopping on Amazon like I've been doing. Just, you know, be careful. Have a great day. I'll see you very soon.